The name of the temple is Shri Mahabhairava Rudra Alyam. So finally we have reached at the temple. So this is the main dome that is right behind us, where the Lord Bhairav deity is there. And the 12 step that indicates the zodiac signs, even we can see that. This literally feels magical. We have Lord Bhairava over here, and this indicates the entire universe. It was definitely a magical experience, like the power that temple holds. Like whenever you enter the premises of Kal Bhairav temple, literally you will feel a different kind of energy over there. Definitely, at least once you should come over here. So hello guys, welcome back to the new vlog of Chennai series. Right now we are in office and today is Monday. मैं literally आधे meeting से भागा हूँ. We have one spot which I have to visit today only. मैंने ये देखा था online. It is a very beautiful temple which is unique actually, because most of the temples in south are similar, but I feel that this one is unique. The name of the temple is Shri Mahabhairava Rudra Alyam. It is in Chengalpettu only. Hardly will reach within half an hour maybe. If possible, we'll visit the another places which is nearby. But इसके लिए मुझे लगता है कि 1 घंटा तो लगेगा मुझे ये प्लेस विजिट करने के लिए. So without wasting any time, let's head towards our destination. All set. अपनी गाड़ी का cold start हो गया है. I think our baby needs a good wash. Maybe after this ride tonight. Will have a good wash. अभी मुझे टैप करना पड़ेगा, सो मैं ग्लव्स नहीं पहन रहा हूँ. हाँ, ये वापस उतारना दे यार मुझे ये बैग के लिए बस. I am riding after ages, so I miss this feeling. Let's go. Literally, I'm riding after ages. Like I don't even remember last time we went to Mahabalipuram, but that was not a solo ride. Riders लोगों का आपको पता है कि until and unless you do the solo rides, you don't get the drill out of it. So I was in a meeting today, and in lunch break I was like कि I have to visit this temple. I was searching online what are the places that I can go nearby, and I found this temple. And within seconds I knew that I have to go here. Like I can't wait for Saturday Sunday, so I decided let's pick the bag and go. So the temple that we are visiting today is Shri Maharudra Bhairav Rudra Alyam. It is a deity of Lord Shiva only. The speciality of this temple is its architecture. Like in south, you will feel that all of the architectures are similar, right? But the architecture of this temple is different. Also, there are many things which I found very interesting about this temple. The one is like there are no diyas and agarbattis that you have to light up in this temple. If you want to worship the god, you can do a different kind of puja, which is Padya Puja. And people also offer rice to Lord Bhairava in the form of worship. The time is 4 p.m. right now. I am not sure if cameras are allowed inside the temple, because in the most of the vlogs I saw that people have captured the temple, but the board also says that no cameras allowed. So I don't want to offend anyone. If we are able to shoot, then we will shoot. If not, we will just go and visit the temple. So this temple is I guess 10 kilometers from my place, and from the Chennai airport it is around 49 kilometers. I think there is no good public transport available, so if you are coming to this place, make sure you travel by your own vehicle. I am sure you might get one of those taxis or anything, but better to be on a safer side, because if you don't know Tamil, then I think that you might get stuck in this place. I am just 2.3 kilometers far from that temple. I think whatever the board we have over here is of that temple only. The problem is, like, I'm not able to read it because it is written in Tamil. So literally, if I get stuck somewhere, I need to call any of my Tamil speaking friend to get help. But whatever it is, the view is amazing. Like really, I'm feeling like I'm traveling in Hampi right now because the road literally is of Hampi. Like the mountains, the roads, the trees, everything feels like I'm traveling in Hampi right now. Okay, I think we are close to that spot because I could see this wala view in many of the vlogs that we have on YouTube. Auntie, you can't able to sit यार. मैं help करता वैसे because my bike is in not that condition that a female could sit on one side. I don't have stand actually, side stand on my bike. So even my mom feels uncomfortable while sitting on my bike. I believe we have to go straight. Oh, what is this? I guess this is our location. We have reached. Oh my god. Okay, this is crazy. Where should we park our bike? So this is the temple that I was talking about. Unfortunately, I feel we have came at a very wrong time. I need to capture a beautiful thumbnail for my this thing YouTube, but we have so much of crowd over here. Anyways, let's go inside. So finally we have reached at the temple. The temple is right beside us, and you can see we have Shivlingas all over the place. So entire temple is surrounded by Shivlingas. Here we have Yama, Lord Yama, and this we have Naga, Lord Naga. So I think we have to visit like this only. Like you can see there is some yatra which is going on over here. This is happening over entire Chennai. So even when we went to Mahabalipuram, this was same. Like people were wearing red dresses and they were visiting the temple. So I really don't know what this is called. Like this must be the month of yatras because a lot of people are doing the same thing all over the places. So you can see lot of buses have came from entire Tamil Nadu, I guess. This is the main deity that we have. This is Lord Yama, and here we have Lord Bhairava. So I think I need to remove my shoes at a safe place, and then maybe I can visit all of these places. Now I am really not sure where to keep my belongings over here because it is difficult to talk in Tamil. Hindi, I don't know if people will able to understand or not. Let's have a quick roam to this place. Once we get our shoes off, maybe then we can show you this entire place. So I have removed the shoes over here. I just hope कि चोरी ना हो जाए. अगर चोरी हो गया तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता उसके लिए. Now quickly let's visit all of the places that we have. बहुत ज़्यादा है यार. I expected a different scenario while visiting over here, but it's fine. We can't help it much. ये उनकी जगह है. हम यहाँ पे एज अ टूरिस्ट आए या एज अ ट्रैवलर आए. So we have to respect that and just have a bit of the culture that these people have. So this is temple of Lord Naga. You can see over here. So this is a deity of Lord Yama. This is in the form of a lion face. So it is believed that once Lord Yama showed that who is superior in the universe, and to fight that, Lord Shiva took the form of Lord Bhairava, and he showed the Lord Yama that I am the most powerful in this universe. So this deity signifies that Lord Shiva is the supreme among all of the universe. And here we can see a beautiful landscape of this temple. Now inside I think it will be lot of crowded, so I'm not sure how much I will be able to vlog. Whatever it is, I'll try to show you everything. and finally we are getting a beautiful golden light because it is around 5, I guess. So we are entering the temple. I think we need to wash our legs bahar. It has a lot of crowd right now. This is Nandi and we have a meditation center over here. इसके अंदर you have a cave and inside this you can meditate. I think there is a line for this. So आज काफ़ी वेट करना पड़ेगा अपने को दर्शन के लिए, बट ठीक है अभी आए तो करके जाते हैं. We have line for दर्शन over here. अभी हमें भी लाइन में ही खड़ा रहना पड़ेगा. We don't have any option right now. So as I told you, if you have to worship over here, you don't have to light the diyas. Usually the worship is done using offering the rice to Lord Shiva. So here the same thing is written. I guess we have to pay 5 or 10 rupees if you want to do the worship of rice. I'm literally standing here from last half an hour. I don't know how more time it will take, but I can see the number is close only, but I am assuming more 15 minutes it will take us to reach the main temple. So this is the main dome that is right behind us, where the Lord Bhairav deity is there. It will take us more, I guess, 15 minutes to reach to this temple because I have been waiting here for 30 minutes, more 15 minutes to go. The specialty of this Bhairav temple is there are 12 steps you have to climb to reach to that deity. So finally we are at the entrance of the temple. I could see Lord Bhairava from here. At the 12 steps that indicates the zodiac signs, even we can see that. This literally feels magical. Whatever the structure they have in the dome, you can see it. This displays the entire universe, what it looks like, and whatever the steps we have over here, it indicates the zodiac signs. So 12 steps indicate the 12 zodiac signs. This literally feels magical. We have Lord Bhairava over here, and this indicates the entire universe. So this is Lord Bhairava, and we are now climbing down. So we are done with the darshan. This is Panchamukhi Hanuman. It was definitely a magical experience. Like the power that temple holds. Like whenever you enter the premises of Kal Bhairav temple, literally you will feel a different kind of energy over there. Definitely, at least once you should come over here. There was a priest inside who told me not to shoot, so I stopped shooting because I really don't want to hurt anyone's sentiment. Like I have came to their place, so I need to respect them. Whatever I could shoot, I have taken those shots. Apart from that, what they have told not to shoot, I definitely can't show you that thing. But overall, it was a very good experience. We have almost covered everything. Just one meditation center is remaining, which is right here. Right now, I think we have almost covered everything. So the sun is already set, so I don't think will able to get some good pictures for my thumbnail. That is the only problem that I have currently. So this is a cave inside which meditation is practiced. So we'll be entering the cave. Today definitely no meditation will be taking place because it has a lot of crowd. But I have seen the videos where you can go and you can sit and meditate. So the entry is closed for today, I think, because of many people. If it was a normal day, I think we could have gone downside. Now you can see the sun is already set. So I don't have much to show you guys. I'll take few pictures quickly and maybe then we'll get going because there's no point of staying once it gets dark over here. I want a good picture with my bike. But I'm not sure whom to ask for because clearly no one is there of my age where I can just tell them that please click a picture for me. Let's see, I have got a tripod. Maybe I'll put a tripod quickly and take a thumbnail for my video. So time to say bye-bye to this beautiful temple. Definitely it was worth it. Like even it was crowded, but it was definitely worth it. So finally we are done with our darshan. Now let's wrap up. Maybe take some good pictures and let's get going because I am feeling a lot of humidity right now. I am not sure if I should put a tripod in between or ask someone to get a picture. Maybe I can get a picture from here. We clicked some great pictures. Now it's time to go. And this doggy has been photobombing our every photo. I don't have anything for you right now. और शॉप्स भी नहीं यहाँ पे, नहीं तो डॉगी को बिस्किट खिलाते हैं अपन अभी. फ्रेंडली डॉग है ज़्यादा. ओके लेट्स गो. आई डोंट नो द रोड बिकॉज द मैप्स इज नॉट वर्किंग राइट नाउ. मुझे हल्का हल्का तो पता है कि कौन से रोड से आया हूँ मैं. सो लेट्स गो टिल देयर एट लीस्ट और उसके आगे अपन मैप्स लगा देंगे. There is a lot of problem of network in Chennai, mostly for Jio. So basically Airtel works over here. So if you have Airtel then it's good. If not then even in Pondicherry, even in Mahabalipuram you will get literally zero network. Even calls won't work there. So make sure if you are traveling to this place have Airtel. And if someone is watching from Chennai, you can comment down below what is the festival which is going on in all of the temples. The people who are wearing red, like definitely it signifies something. I am not able to find it on Google. So make sure if you know it, you can comment down what is the festival that you have in December. I don't think there is much to show you guys on this route. Anyway, it is getting dark. So if you guys are still watching till here, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel. Keep supporting the channel. We'll have a lot of South India rides coming soon on this channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.